The Collector Showcase presents The Hits. Shining Fates.
Not always, but like more often than not. I don't know. Oh!
Ooh, okay.
Yes!
See that?
Yes!
There you go.
Yes!
That's nice.
That's how we do it
That's nice.
right off the bat. First pack magic.
Pretty. You know what else is amazing rare? That you pull something like that, Rob. So don't get too comfortable. And they call me better because of
Oh!
this. Oh, baby shiny.
No way. He just got the baby shiny. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is how we do it. Boom. All right, yo, come on. You got to give credit where credit's due.
I will give credit. You know why? Because that is what a person of my caliber does. He admits.
Oh, yeah.
That was a nice hit. Very well done. More Pekko.
Oh my gosh!
A Lapras!
No, he
Oh
did
my
not.
God.
I have pulled one of those so far.
It was not on camera, so we can't confirm.
I did it with my kids. It's at home.
Confirm.
Who would have thought that we've been sitting on such amazing cards?
I know.
Oh, and another big.
Ooh, a
Why are
Donald
we hitting
Duck.
so many good cards?
You got a Donald Duck.
I got a what? That's
I like
great.
the Celebies.
I'm having a lot of fun. We're pulling some really, really cool cards here. You're up, my friends.
Oh, I forgot I had another bag.
Oh my gosh! What is this?
There we go. This is great. We got great pulls.
This is the best 2 boxes we've ever done. If this is the shiny Charizard, I'm gonna faint. If I pull the Charizard, I beat you.
Let's see.
I'm like nervous. Is it weird that I'm nervous?
No.
Because I feel like
Not
it's
weird at all.
possible. Like when something is as good as this, I feel like greatness is just right around the corner. And that's why I'm a little bit nervous that it's absolutely possible that we can hit another good card here. Oh my gosh!
What is it? What is it?
Oh my god! Oh my god! I can't believe it! Oh my god!
All right, you won. You won. Oh my God. Bro, I can't believe you just did that.
Oh, I can't!
Oh my God. Hold on. Let's rewind the tape really quick. This is what you're gonna see on
I'm out of
YouTube.
breath.
Oh my God! just pulled this. I just pulled this. Ah!
Just gonna fold this up, put it in my pocket, and leave.
Holy cow!
Wow.
We did it.
That was the best pulls that we've ever had. Consistent.
We
pulls
did
from
it,
one box.
folks.
That is the best pulls from one box ever. I think we've ever done.
Ever.
That is crazy.
Ever.
Have we pulled a Charizard ever?
Not a 4. No, we
That
pulled
we've
lots
been
of Charizards.